not looking at.
At 24, Nancy Jernigan was looking at life being legally blind.
She suddenly lost her sight and lost most hope after countless surgeries and no cause. 21 years later, Nancy decided to get back what she lost by getting out her easel. As WECTV's Casey Roman reports, she paints what we all take for granted, simple sights in the world around us.
Imagine trying to choose the right color with only your recollection. Imagine having to pick out a paintbrush by testing the bristles on your tongue. Imagine suddenly being legally blind, losing your sight at 24.
I think we take a lot of things for granted.
Then imagine getting it back, in a way, by simply putting color on a canvas.
I try to reflect in my paintings what I want people to see that they're not looking at.
After Nancy Jernigan's optic nerve ruptured, life became a blur.
I think about what I'm missing. I see life in increments.
In pictures that bring the big picture world that you and I see into a magnified perspective.
I am so thirsty for wanting to see what's out there. I can take a trip anywhere in my mind and I can put that on a canvas. I can do anything.
She has to stand achingly close to that canvas for hours, but for Nancy, every brush brings back a moment, a memory in complete clarity.
I think about what other people do see. When I put the paintbrush on the canvas, what comes from the paintbrush is real.
These paintings are real places, places of no particular importance, places others enjoy only to forget, places Nancy paints if only to remember.
Things that people miss on a daily basis that just inspire me to want to see.
Now Nancy is seeing again, even with far from perfect sight, stroke by careful stroke. Casey Roman, WECT News.
Amazing. Nancy even painted her son's football field with an enormous grass mural. You can see more of Nancy's paintings on our website, actually our Facebook page, WECT Facebook page, so go to that.